What's going on, Excel fanatics? Verdexes here. Today I am going over some quick formulas for you relating to statistics, if I could speak. So what you can do is, say I'm going to still use the same numbers as I've been using in the super intro. So if you wanted to do something like mode, where showing the number that comes up the most, actually this wouldn't work for these. So let me just add like another one here. So if I wanted to show, well, obviously you guys can tell from that. Oops, see, I'm going too fast here. So for mode, I'm just going to go ahead and highlight, and this should give me 10, right? Because that's the one that shows up the most. Now if I wanted to do maybe the max, shows me 12. The average or the mean, just go with average. That's 9. And then the min. So what number is the lowest? And 6, right? So this one is min. This one is average. And this, oh, I'm sorry, daydreaming. And this one is max. Oh, that's not right. Now I'm putting this little apostrophe in front of the equal sign so that it doesn't turn this into a formula. I want Excel to think that this is just text that I'm writing. And so notice how there's nothing, like if I just did equals max and I just wanted it to show up, it needs to fill the criteria in. But I just wanted to kind of use that to illustrate for you guys. So that's why. So in any situation, if you have to put like an equal sign or a plus sign or minus in front of something, use this apostrophe and that'll help you out. This is mode. Another one I want to quickly go over too is the absolute value. So say in a situation where it's just always going to come out as a positive number. So the idea being that it just needs to be, you know, even if it's like -6, it will still come out as 6, because maybe you just need to know that it's the distance. If it was a decrease of 6, or if it was an increase in 6, either way that number, the absolute number there is 6. So if you had to do, so let's just say I did 6 minus -6. So if we put that absolute formula in there, ABS, you see how it even says returns the absolute value of the number. So ABS. And then the formula, and it comes out as a +6, right? So, so this is just kind of useful in a situation to know the total amount. If you want to just know, you want to just show it as a positive number, but the total amount, whether how much it went into the negative or the positive, this is the amount that it changed by. So those were some quick tips. I'll try to think of some more I can provide for you guys, but hopefully that was helpful. Thanks so much for watching, and I will see you guys in the next video.